Hey everyone, welcome back to our another video. In the previous video, we discussed about how we can use EJS, right? And in this video, we're gonna discuss about EJS tags. Uh, let's see what kind of tags does it have. Mm, Here you can see these were the EJS tags. Mm, Here, this represents the scripting tag for tag flow on output, and this is for output the value into the template, and this is the output the value into the template of HTML content, and this is for comment, and it is for literal, and these were the commonly used, and there is another one, and that is for to enter the EJS file, insert into the another EJS file, and to deeply understand all of this, we're gonna start a problem that is EJS tags, and we're gonna write all our code into this index.ejs. Here you can see there are some hints to solve the problem, and let's solve each of them. If you wanted to look at the output that we are that we are going to get, let's run the terminal. Here there is. Let's change the directory. Here you can see there aren't any module for this, so let's install them by npm I, and also npm has been also already initialized. There you can see package.json, and I guess you're now ready to run the node mon and solution.js, and it's running. And let's check out the localhost 3000. Here you go. It's when the current second is odd, then that will display no item. When there is even, it will display items in the form of a list, an order list. And first, we got to give the title, that is, let's split the screen so we may able to understand what to do, what need to do. Mm, First one is title. Here we go. We got use. My bad. I shouldn't remove that one. We use this. Commented tag. Not commented. Output tag. That is, and keyword key. That is title and percentage. Let's check whether does it working or not. Control plus C and node more index dot yes, and here you go. Here you can see it's been working fine. And another thing is we got insert in seconds, and we're going to use the same tag over here as well, and seconds. Hmm. It's a little bit difficult to understand, but it's easy. We may get confused by the looks of it, right? And this is pretty much easy. You just need to have some work practice. Practice makes perfect, right? And let's check. Here you go. I guess 49 or 50. Another thing is here's a if statement, right? And here needs to be something that is called whenever the second is an even, then it will print a list. So list items were here, and we're going to use for loop to access all of them. That is items dot for each item, uh, and it needs to be a list item, right? So item. Um, guess it will show an error. You may able to see that as well. Here you go. These are the script elements, right? So we need to use this. mm, I'll show you that. I'll show you the tag. That is, this is a script for script one, right? This doesn't print out shows output. It's just takes execute. Uh, it is as well, but this one needs to be shown to the user. Uh, where's that? This one needs to be shown to the user, right? Uh, mm, we're gonna use bunch of tags, and there is an else as well. So we shouldn't forget about this. Mm. And we gotta use it here as well. I hope this does work. If that doesn't work, I'll do one thing. Let me check. Oh my, it's showing there's an unexpected token somewhere in the code. So we gotta find that out. Let's find out. Uh, there you go. Oh my bad. The mistake is over here. I forgot to cut the symbol. So for each loop is working fine. Isn't working fine. So let's go to the and save and check out. Here you go. 45, 47 is odd, and 50 is even. So we now understand what the error is. So I try to check in the Stack Overflow, and the error is this. So don't make any typos like me. Mm. You'll experience sad experience. So, and the next step is to HTML content goes here. The HTML content is this. We can use EM if we wanted to, whatever. Uh, that is by using. We have already discussed this one. What it will do? Go here. You can show it. It's showing what it can do. It will do. So whatever. Let's HTML content. What it will do? It escapes this guys and returns the strong test. Not gonna return this. That's all. And uh, let's save and go over there. It's working just as I have envisioned or predicted or as I thought or mm, next thing is to for goes here we gotta use a tag EJS tag to insert another EJS file into this file. to do that, we're gonna use the file is this is very important. So that is minus and include the file name is footer.ejs, and one thing is needs to be keep in your mind, that is the files EJS files should be in the folder named views, so that it's gonna work, otherwise it won't work. Let's check out the output. Here you go, everything's working fine. So in the end we successfully completed the project. There are different ways to use the for loop, and we can solve this problem in another way as well. But as long as we have finally made this solve this problem, in the end that's all that matters. And what all that matters is understanding the concept that we're doing, so that we can use whenever we want. So I hope you understand the problem and EJS tags that's been commonly used. And here's the code. Take a look at this. And what we have done first is to change the current directory location and install the npi and running the server. That's all. In the next video, we're going to discuss about more about the EJS tags for all and more, and I'll see you there. Bye.